All right, quick review about what we talked about yesterday in our notes. We had y equals ax squared, right? That was what we started with. And as we talked about yesterday, the bigger that leading coefficient is, the a, the narrower my parabola gets, right? So you can see that right now I have, let me go and write this so you can see what I'm talking about. Y equals 5x squared. That's what you see to the right, because I have the slider all the way to the right. But if I start to slide it down, you can start to see that at some point it gets wider and wider. Then we also talked about what happens when it flips. So when we're at 0, it's just a straight line. And then as we get more negative, the parabola gets more narrow, right? So the closer to 0 we are, the more open our parabola is. And the bigger the number in either direction, the narrower our parabola is, right? So let's just go ahead and mark this at, like, let's say it's 1. Now we're going to start looking at what happens when we add our c. So it's just going to be just the first and our last term in our quadratic equation. So notice it's kind of like a vertical shift. So as my number is going up, my vertex is going up. So let's actually, you know what, let's go ahead and graph the point. Let's see if I can do, yeah, we'll make a table really quick. So we'll do table, and we'll write, this is going to be f of x1, I gotta put that in parentheses, x1, close, and we're just gonna do 0. And we want to change this from regular notation to a function notation. So f of x, and close. Perfect. All right, so notice how as I'm changing, this is now 9, my y-intercept, this point is now 9. We're at 10, my y-intercept is now at 10. I go all the way down now. So my c is -4, so my y-intercept's at -4. Okay? So if we had to write notes for today, we're going to write that, we'll call this graphing f of x equals ax squared plus c. So this c is going to control the y-intercept. Okay.